Hello, this is Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, I have this kitchen countertop. It has granite countertop which I got it made about 10 years ago. In the meantime, I have been using it and I've got stone stains caused by oil and water. Okay, I have not been sealing it periodically the way I was supposed to. That's why I have so many stains. So I'm trying to sell this house and I have to fix the stains. So I bought this product called Stone Tech Oil Stain Remover. See this product here, Stone Tech Oil Stain Remover. It says for natural stone, masonry and grout. Okay, so ready to use, just stir and apply. So what I did, I opened it and I stirred it with a plastic knife, and after that I used a plastic spoon to spread the paste on the places where I see lots of stains. And they say that the thickness of the paste that you put should be about quarter inch, 0.25 inch high, 0.25, at least 0.25 inch high. Okay, so this is what I did, and as you can see on many places where I have lots of stains, I have put this and we will see. You're supposed to leave it for 48 to 72 hours. I'm going to leave it for 72 hours until the paste becomes dry, so that there is no moisture in the paste. Okay, and then I will scrape off the paste with a plastic scraper, not metal scraper, because metal might do damage to the stone. So this is how I have spread it, and we will see after 72 hours how it turns out. I will keep you posted. Okay, thank you. Hello friends, 72 hours have passed, and now we took a tool and we are removing the paste. So we will remove the paste and then we will just remove it completely and then wipe it off, and then see how things have improved. Okay, the area where we had spread the paste, and today we removed the dried paste after 72 hours, and this is how the surface looks. Okay, so I think it's clean. No, not 100% clean, but it's definitely cleaner than before. Hello, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.